Hi fam, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I promised to show you guys how I made this crepe paper cake. First, I have my cake covered up in tiny fondant. Yeah, you have to cover it first because you can't put the paper straight. I have my hot gun, the candle. I have uhu gum, but of course I'll be making use of hot gum mostly. Scissors, the crepe paper. You can also use wafer paper for the papers of this class, but I'm using crepe paper because it is less expensive. So what I'll do next is to get my crepe paper, cut it straight to be able to wrap the the body of the cake. That's where I will be sticking the other crepe paper or cut on the body of the other crepe paper here. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so I'll be sticking it on this one. I applied my edible glue on the body of the cake and wrapped around because I don't want to apply the hot gun directly on the fondant. Yeah, so this covers the body of the cake, and then straight to cutting the size I want for this cake. So cut and go ahead to cut in smaller forms, then tiny forms, cut shorter, fold and cut again. There are lots of cutting going on in this cake. Yeah, you will cut and cut and cut. Your hand will be paining you, but then that's the beauty of the cake, so you just have to be cutting, folding, cutting. You have to cut a lot that will go around the cake. So this, I have a whole lot of it. Now I will use my hot gun. Why am I using hot gun? Hot gun dries immediately. Like as soon as you're putting it, if you waste few seconds, it has dried out. So I'm using hot gun. If you use uhu gum, it will dry you, but it's going to take time and it gets messy. You understand? So I prefer using hot gun because it gives me what I want. So yeah. So this is me putting it, arranging them the way I want them to be. And here I already have a lot made, pattern created. You see the way, triangle, up, down. So this this thing is like, I think 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, but if you have lots of hand, you can finish it in 1 day actually. So I want to create the remaining pattern to fit, this one is down, this is up, then I need to create the upper triangle to come down just to match with this one. So that's the pattern I'm creating right now. You can also make your own straight, but the sample I was sent to have something like this, and I was asked to follow it up. So yeah, it's a fun cake. It's a fun cake to recreate, but it's just a lot of hard work. So be ready to charge your clients. Charge them, charge them. Also, make sure you cost your crepe paper. I think we used up to 7 on this cake. Yes, we bought 3, 2. Yeah. So I think we were either 6 or 7, and start cutting. So yeah. This is me forming the triangle, aligning it, making sure that it goes with the other one. Then I will now go ahead and start fixing the small portions of it. See, when I say this cake is hard work, I am not kidding, guys. It is hard work. It is hard work, but the good part of it is when you look at what you did and how pretty it turns out, you'll be so happy you did. So like I said, make sure you charge well for this cake. Charge well. Sit down, do your costing, add money for labor and profit very, very well. I am not even kidding. Add money. So this is me bringing it down so I can create the pattern well. Look at it. Look at the eye. This cake is pretty. So guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.